All right, let's go to the next one. Let me give you guys a real world example of a scenario of where this would be relevant. Let's say a large UK manufacturing has a breach and a sophisticated hacker gets into their network and it's not detected by the IDS, a traditional signature based intrusion detection system. Didn't see anything and it didn't see any malware, but they were still able to get in. Believe it or not, this does happen because there's some very sophisticated hackers out there. As a matter of fact, sometimes there's insider threats of people who are already inside or helping or inadvertently or actually on purpose. But there's ways to get around IDSs. Well, with AI, if you use something like a Darktrace is a company that does security using AI. And so if they spent weeks learning, let's say they spent weeks and weeks learning what normal behaviors on the network looks like, when people log into the system, what data they touch, what is moved back and forth, what protocols are used. They're looking at every single user entity behavior. When there's a compromise, they're gonna be able to flag that because AI is gonna immediately know without having labeled data, it's gonna know, okay, this is different. It's not going to say it's good or bad. It's going to say this is different and it's going to alert the security operations center. So that is an example of unsupervised learning and how that would be able to catch an anomaly that you might not be able to do with an IDS using a traditional signature based IDS here.